Alrighty, as I've mentioned in a previous video, you can use EFT in so many more ways than just getting rid of period pain. And in this one, I'm going to share exactly how EFT helped me master self-healing and why I haven't been sick in years. This is my personal experience with EFT and self-healing, so use what resonates and leave what doesn't. I mean, getting rid of period pain is a very big deal already, but what if I tell you can genuinely heal anything with this? Well, with this and of course honesty, because lying to yourself won't help you at all. You will just keep being in pain till you address the root of the illness. EFT is short for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's the most efficient and quickest way to heal and move on from things that do not serve you anymore. I swear by this, because ever since I've learned about it and have implemented this technique in my life, I haven't been sick, and it's been years. Not that I used to get sick a lot, but I did faint quite often or feel dizzy or just feel unwell in public places, and it would come out of nowhere too. But using EFT helped me heal in the moment without exception. So if I started to feel dizzy, I would just use EFT. As simple as this, just tapping on the side of your hands. Which hand doesn't actually matter. You can change it whenever you feel like it. So let's say I'm at a airport or a concert, somewhere where it's crowded basically. I would tap on the side of my hand and repeat, either whispering or in my head, I am healthy, I feel well, I feel amazing in my body, I am healed. I would do this non-stop for a good 10 minutes or till I feel my body calming down and regulating into a calm state. Those are actually moments where you start panicking, so you have to trust yourself that you are able to calm your body using EFT like that. Obviously, I can only talk for myself right now, but I know I'm not the only one who has had that experience. But for me, getting this anxiety, panic, or dizziness, etc., is coming from a trauma response that your body remembers. So even if you're conscious that you're safe now, your body might still be responding that it used to, only because it remembers. I know this is no fun, but the good news about this is that you can actually fix it in the moment. And with time, it will happen less and less too. I've been able to go to crowded places and being completely fine the whole time. And so will you. If you don't know why this happens to you, maybe start reflecting on when it started. Like in therapy, you usually have to start talking about when you think started to go south. This is the only way for you to actually be able to genuinely heal the roots of the reactions you have today. And honestly, it doesn't have to be a huge thing. Like what I've been through might be nothing to you and insane to someone else, and vice versa. So do not ever minimize the things you experience, because at the end of the day, you are still living the consequences of them. So once you start reflecting on when you started to feel unwell in those crowded places, or just anytime you are outdoors, and you figure out what started it, write it down. I will tell you in a second what to do with it. If you haven't figured out what it is, you can try to meditate and genuinely ask your body why it's reacting this way. Let the thoughts and images come to you. Do not try to control them. Just breathe and let those come to you. If this still doesn't work, and actually this is for everyone, start journaling daily on paper, not on your phone. As I've mentioned in my previous video, you do not have to write your whole day. Just anytime you catch yourself thinking something negatively, or whenever negative emotions appear, or even if something happened that day that you did not enjoy, write it down and explain why those things made you feel that way. Your emotions are the answers to your questions. They are the answers to your healing, clarity, to your reactions, to the life you created for yourself. So use your negative emotions in your favor and transform your life into a more peaceful and lighter one that you actually enjoy. Your emotions, if you didn't understand it by now, is pretty much the most important thing in your body. They transform your life for the best or for the worst, so use them wisely. Now, once you have written down everything that came up for that day or the reason that made you feel unwell when you were outdoors, use EFT. You will read out loud whatever you wrote down for 10 minutes. You can either tap on the same spot the whole time, or you can use all the spots to tap on. For me, I usually only tap in between my eyebrows, and otherwise the other spots are the spots I'm going to show you right now. I will use a sentence that I used in my previous video after I figured out what triggered my period pain. So it goes like this. I now forgive myself for having been naive, for not having known better, for having closed my eyes on red flags, for having tolerated his toxic behavior. I forgive myself for not having had better boundaries. I now love and respect myself, and then under your armpits, and then you can keep going like this. Very simple. Super simple spots. That's why I say, for me, I usually only do in between my eyebrows because it's simple. If I do only use one spot, like here, then I usually also tap on the side of my hands after. So either when you're still reading out loud everything you have written, or right after those 10 minutes, you will feel some kind of release. The release can either be like you yawning, burping, having the hiccup, or even just breathe like heavily, and most of the time like crying. The point is, you will be releasing whatever was stuck in your body. And it will be released for good, by the way. This is a one-time thing. You won't need to do this regularly, because once it's released, it's literally gone. Which is why I always say that EFT is the most efficient and quickest way to heal that I have experienced. The more you use this technique for the things that trigger you and journal on the daily, the lighter you will feel, the happier you will be, and obviously the more you will be healed. Things that used to affect you won't anymore, and you will see yourself not ever being sick again. Obviously, life is not perfect, and you will most likely still experience things, but now that you know this technique, use it in your favor every single time something happens. Let's say you start your throat feeling sore, and you think you might have a cold. Think immediately as to what might have happened that triggered your throat, which usually is related to the throat chakra. And so it could have been something as little as someone yelling at you or saying something mean to you, and you did not speak up for yourself. Basically, it's saying, use your voice or I will damage it. I know it sounds harsh, but it's your body telling you that something needs to be addressed. Even if you do not get the chance to speak up for yourself anymore, just writing down what happened, and again, very important, writing down why it hurt you or made you mad is going to be enough to release it all through EFT. Also, make sure to always add forgiveness for yourself, because you will never heal from something unless you have forgiven yourself for it too. So for instance, if you had an argument with someone and despite you trying to explain yourself, you didn't feel hurt, make sure to add at the end of your writing something like, I forgive myself for keep trying to be heard by people who have made up opinions or answers about me. I forgive myself for having sought out external validation when I know I'm truthful. I now trust that I won't give my energy away to anyone who doesn't actually care about me anymore. That's it. Your cold will be gone within the day. Literally. That's also how I haven't taken any medicines in years either. You can use EFT in all levels of your life to improve your life constantly, whether it's for health, beauty, fitness, career, money, etc. It is life-changing and worth trying. There is always so much more I want to share when I talk about this, so I might make another video adding more examples and information. Make sure to comment below if you want to share an experience you want to release internally and aren't sure what words to use to forgive yourself, to make peace with yourself using EFT. Everything is healable. Remember to subscribe so we can meet again in the next video.